So this went some extra scrap aluminum, comes in handy. So I want to get this so we don't get any water on it. So all I'm doing is taking in pieces and wedging them up underneath to get the overlap that I need. I need a couple more pieces over here and then we'll have it. So originally, this was some free stuff someone gave me. I thought, well, I need to flatten it out. But you really don't need to flatten it out because the different levels helps you wedge it in, at least in this situation. So I did flatten it out some, so maybe some is needed. I have one more piece I need to cut, so I'm going to try it as is. Maybe hammer it down a little bit, but I want to leave some variation. So yes, if it's going to we have hard wind, I'm going to have to put some screws in this, but I don't think they're calling for any wind, and we're in a pretty protected area, so I'm not going to do it right now. If I look at the forecast tomorrow and it's calling for wind, then I will come up here, because my ladder is staying up. I'm not going to remove the ladder. That's going to have to go through the rain, and then hopefully after that we'll be ready to go. So you can't, when you're doing a roof, it's unlikely you're going to get 2 weeks of perfect weather, especially if you're doing it alone. You need multiple days to do stuff like this. So for me, I need to have stopping points, or maybe I want to take a trip. So I need to have stopping points, and this transition area allows me to do that. So it's important. Okay, let's finish it up and get to our other job.